Karbi Rongasar meeting held in Chokrihola. HED Minister lay foundation stone of Community Hall in Rangnagar. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sepi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. In a notable success for the Karbi Anglong police, 3 bike lifters were nabbed by the Bokajan police led by SI P. Thadoi Sinha. The police also recovered 3 stolen bikes from the 3 arrested persons. According to Police Sub-Inspector Thadoi Sinha, chased down 1 bike lifter identified as Muhammad Islamuddin, also known as Afzal, son of late Batai Mia of Chaudhary Bazar village of Hojai district, and an Apache bike which was stolen from Bakalia was recovered. However, one of his partner identified as Muhammad Saidul Islam of Hojai district managed to enter Dimapur. Later, during interrogation, Muhammad Islamuddin revealed the names of other bike lifters. A joint team of Bokajan PS and Khatkati PS soon apprehended another 2 bike lifters from Khatkati area identified as Muhammad Saidul Islam, son of late Abdul Sukur, the Bokar Rajbari village, Hojai district, and the second person identified as Muhammad Amir Hussain, son of Abdul Jalil, Puaran Tauka Chabagisa village, Sonari, Charaidio district. Further interrogation by police on Muhammad Saidul Islam and Muhammad Amir Hussain led to recoveries of another 1 Apache bike and 1 R15 bike which was stolen from Bokajan PS area. According to the police, the arrested 3 persons were involved in several cases of bike thefts and therefore they will be kept on police remand for further interrogation and recovery. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. With the goal of strengthening the village headman body, the 3rd Nilip Karbi Rongasar meeting was held at Chokrihola on Friday. The meeting was chaired by KRA President GB Bidube. The meeting began with hoisting of the flag. This was immediately followed by a meeting of the body during which the village headman body discussed on Karbi Traditional Council or Serwan Cap. The meeting was attended by Central Committee President Dharmo Teron, Vice Presidents Chandra Teron, Ajit Rongpi and Ilyas Phangchu. During the meeting, the Central Committee leaders stated that KRA was formed with the purpose of protecting the rights and powers of 6th Schedule and all of the traditional body of the indigenous tribes. In addition to this, the Central Committee leaders also urged upon the village headmen for their proactive support towards the goals, objectives and works of the village headman body. The leaders also asserted that the traditional village council would be able to function or assert its powers only after the Serwan Cap is recognized. Over 200 village headmen attended the meeting, which was concluded on a high note. It may be mentioned that the Nilip KRA unit is headed by President Bidube, Vice President Maison Tiso, Secretary Bapuram Rongpi, Assistant Secretary Horan Rongphar, Finance Secretary Dorsankro and Divin Rongpi, Publicity Secretary Horan Teron, Office Secretary Anderson Tiso and Longsar Kro, and members Son Terang, Robinson Tiso, Wilson Terang, Rilipson Bey and Bokaram Rongphar. Sonjit Kro report from Chokrihola for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. Welcome back after the break. The presence of the river nearby the village had been a sign of danger for the villagers on several occasions. In the latest incident, a woman was drowned in the river and her body was found a week after she went missing. According to source, the victim, who has been identified as Kavi Teronpi of Montimong village under Dokmuka police station of Mahamaya constituency, went to the river on October 23 to take bath. However, the woman did not return home even after a long time, which alarmed the villagers. Following this, the villagers immediately began their search, but were unsuccessful. The local SDRF team were also engaged in the search operation, but were unable to recover the body. After 7 days, her body was discovered on Friday after water level of the river receded. The body exposed itself as the water level went down and locals immediately informed the matter to the Dokmuka police. The body was later taken to Diphu for post-mortem.
Ini ke ninar kep lo. Yang cengke la puja ke cengani 23 si jang 23 October si. Ini ansi long.
Sondan si kijang dam.
Kijang dam mane lang ke cenglu dam pusi hem ke jathan kang. Masing ke lang cenglu dam masih lang konik dam.
Isu ngangdeng ni litum nang le rok lo la sinang litum aphan tuning ri nang kok lo lam thi sivya sita pini ni li he masar pini an pen irui lo ni narket ke chokar ni an si jo adyat budi kilong lo la sinang litum aphan tuning ri nang kok lo.
Samsung Inti report from Dokmuka, Karbang Long Live. The Assam HAD Minister Sumronghang had on Friday laid foundation stone of new community hall to be built at Fort Lokhiman Ashram in Rangnagar. Here is report. The work had been sanctioned under the MLA fund for 2019 to 2020. The community hall will be constructed with an allotted fund of 5 lakh rupees. Following this, locals of Rangnagar and members of the Fort Lokhiman Ashram have expressed their delight and thanked the minister for his support and assistance. The villagers said that the community hall will be helpful for conducting all sorts of gatherings in the locality. MLA Sumronghang was accompanied by Karbang Long Autonomous Council Block Development Board Chairman Sarso Tiso, Langso Mepi Block BDO Kanaklata Teranpi, Lokhiman Sangha President Boloram Phangcho, Fort Lokhiman Ashram Committee President Jugen Ingti, Hauraghat Block BLCC Chairman Bidya Singh Dera, and several other dignitaries. Wilson Terang from Volongkamaji, Karbang Long Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbang Long Live.